A lawsuit filed this week in Colorado challenges the way the Trump administration is holding people in immigration detention without offering bond. Lawyers behind the lawsuit told our Angeline McCall they think this violates federal law, and they say at the very least it's a major turn from what has been happening for the past 30 years.
Yeah, Kyle, this is a class action lawsuit, challenges a policy that the Trump administration has enacted. It removes an option for detainees to post bond rather than being held in detention while waiting out their case if they entered the United States without authorization. The lawsuit talks about one plaintiff, but represents an entire group of people who have been held without the option of bond. Now, for the past 3 decades, as you mentioned, an immigration judge has been able to decide who can receive bond. This new policy denies it for anyone who crossed the border without permission, despite how many years they've been here, other circumstances like if they own a business, if they have U.S.-born children, or if they have no criminal history. The attorneys behind this case say holding people without bond is an effort to balloon the detainee population, considering it takes months or years for cases to play out in the court system.
And so this suit is to challenge what we believe is an illegitimate practice that's designed to metastasize the immigration detention system and to sort of balloon the number of people that the Trump administration can detain and coerce into taking deportations, as opposed to being able to legitimately fight their cases and maybe obtain status that they're entitled to under existing immigration law.
The lawsuit is not challenging keeping people in ICE detention when they're picked up at the border and then waiting out their case. This is challenging interior enforcement when someone is picked up, for instance, here in Colorado, Kyle.
Advocates have fought this elsewhere, Angeline, and won.
Yeah, this policy actually started in Tacoma, Washington. Then we saw it here in Aurora. And what they did in Tacoma is they actually litigated this. A judge sided with them, saying that bond should be granted in these cases. So they're hoping for a similar outcome.
Angeline McCall, thank you very much.